What's going on YouTube? Is Donnie here to show you how to do a air filter on a 2018 Nissan Sentra. Pretty simple. So basically you got this clip here that you just pry up on here and that pops loose and you just lift that up. Then you got this that you lift up on, and once you lift up on that, you can pull this whole piece up and out of. When you're putting it back on, you want this to go back in place of that. So after you remove this piece, you lift that clip up. There's a clip right here. Lift that clip up. This is now loose. Pull up on this, get it out of there, and that's the filter face down over there. So there we go. So installation, you take this filter and you put it back in there face down and you fit it in there. Make sure this corner and that corner, this corner and that corner is flush and it's pushed all the way down. And then installing the filter assembly, you have these two that are gonna fit into there and there. So you take this, you put that right on in there, and then you close it. One clip, two clip, and that's that. Then you take this piece, and I always go down here first, fit that around there, align that with that, take this, fit that into place, that clips. After that clips, that falls into place, and there you go. And that's how you do a air filter on a 2018 Nissan Sentra. If I helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you for viewing.